Hello to everyone. Good evening. Thanks for watching me. My name is Cheryl. I am Bible teacher. If you have time to watch me, I'm really happy to share with you the whole healing rain. I presume it was short, but that was inspires you. Thank you for watching. This is healing rain. Power it can wash away your worries. It is rain blessed from God. Yes, spiritually speaking, yes, from God, from Bible, but yes, tell us that rain is a sign of God's blessing over the land and reward from Him for His will or to His will. So if you faithfully obey the commands I am giving today, to love Him, Lord your God, to serve Him with all your heart and all your soul, that ever stand when you God. Practice. As you breathe clean air on rainy walls, as a tiny rain drops fall through everything atmosphere, as a dominant occurs by the drops trash 10 to hundreds of air pushing tiny particles cannot see tiny air breathing, such as heavy traffic pushing. This process does a remarkable job. Keep the air around you, make you breathe in. Why does I feel better when it rains? Ready also an increase of negative ions in the air. Negative charge particles, tiny particles, tunnels, the caps about because of lighting. At the friction between rain and the air, these tiny ions that prove these nervous system cardiovascular, your body, heart, respiratory, respiratory system. I have people fear alphabet and flash. That's why native island, mild, alkaline, plant-based snow, squid. Normal blood pressure is squid. Smooth bean squid. Tight relief, straw bone, blood vessel, not blocked easily, easy heartbeat. Does God's rainy key of the air. This is because of rainy days. Most common air true pollution, pollutants, pollens, flowers, scents in the air or wash away have increased the quality of the air. What are the 4 elements of rain? 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. The wind and the monomer, what it means, and the monomer and instrument music for measuring the speed, the wind, or any currents of gas. Music, music, but wind, easy. It is okay to wait water? Yes. Wow, but rain water is perfectly safe to drink. Okay, ready? Is rain tears from heaven. The rain is also called tears of heaven, as those silver twins. Pour out from skies, Tom. It feels as if heaven is crying. Those drops are given to the natural of the earth by the head of God. Now, tears of heaven, tears that put you cry. Butters. Let's pray. Stopper of trance of the God rain. Stopper trance of me rain. Right round it is. Amazing. God. Okay, let's talk about what it means. Guys, Tom. Okay. Yeah. Jesus died on the cross, was buried in the Tom. It says, Sky Tom. Why is that? That means. But when you see rains all around, rains that come. This is much more faster. Rain touching. Faster on cement. cement, or clay, spent all the beauty, what you made of hospital pay. Rain, or bash what you did, supposed to, like it, wash, bash, please, 5 gallon, 50 gallon, 20 gallon, 25 gallon, more faster, okay. More faster, that much weight, or other way, how to win, more faster. Amazing, beautiful, you can imagine, look at picture card. God is a great God, amazing. The God who created the sky, home, attach, a shred, the rain is beautiful. Who prayed at this rain? James 5 verse 17 NIV, it says, LGR was human being, even as we are, he prayed earnestly. But it will not rain, it does not rain on the land for 3 years and a half. Imagine who prayed for rain 7 times. Elijah 7, I'll check 7 times. God sent his servant out means that you have seen down in the spirit out. Applicable watching no water, but it's more healthy for you to drink water. Yes, it says fresh vitamin is found in fresh water. Vitamin B12. Fashion. Why the rain is here? Because that you're outside and natural feels rain or your skin feels good. It rains your energy. Vibration. This is help to open your shake. What was the color called chakras. And allow to flow. Allow the healing energy to flow through your body to let him ions in the rain also help to lift your moods and makes you feel happier. Because the Bible says because we keep rain, that helps you, makes you feel better because I'm not afraid to be washed away from heaven's rain. That of us should not be afraid to be washed in heaven's rain. That if He has in all of us, He will wipe every tears from your eyes. There will be no more natural sorrow, crying, or pain. He's all gone. He's forever. Amen. Thank you for watching. It's wonderful. God, amazing, great, beautiful. I love rain. Thank you for watching. Hello.